Doing an oil change to a Jeep Gladiator 2020, 3.6 liter. Underneath on your oil pan boat, it's gonna be a 13, but I had to use a half. I tried to find my oil filter underneath, could not find it. I want to show y'all where I did find it at. It's right here. It takes a 24, and be very careful tightening it back down because it is just plastic. What it looks like is right here, and make sure it goes in the same way it came out. Don't forget your oil ring like I did. It comes with one. But yeah, pretty much first time doing this. Never stop learning.